world, unaware of the long journey these flawless peanuts have taken.
Miles of perfection brought straight to you.
Wow, can we get these?
Here are your fresh roasted peanuts, sir. Enjoy!
Thank you very much. They smell wonderful.
The flawless peanuts you just saw are the result of a vast journey, beginning with seed preparation, careful farming,
The gauge is holding steady at 40 psi.
All right, let's monitor the spray pattern on the next few joints to ensure uniformity.
A ground-level camera follows the uprooted plants as they are inverted and laid back onto the soil, pods facing upward.
Beneath the grate, the camera reveals peanuts falling onto a moving conveyor belt. Industrial lamps cast bright white
A macro close-up reveals peanut shells rolling along the conveyor as high-pressure air jets burst from tiny...
The flow rate seems consistent. The pods look much cleaner now.
Yes, the drum cleaner is working perfectly.
A macro shot reveals the peanuts cooling as they move across the conveyor. Their surfaces harden slightly as oils settle. A close-up focuses on a carton that's slightly underweight. The conveyor pauses automatically, and a robotic display
A detailed close-up shows the stretch film tightening around the cartons, preserving stability for transport. The machine's rollers
Wow, look at all the chips.
Are those the sour cream ones?
They sure are.
Roasted peanuts are an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats and high-quality protein, essential for maintaining a balanced diet.
Did you get a chance to review the updated figures on page 12?
Yes, they look solid now. Much better than the initial draft.
Want some more of these roasted peanuts? They are really good.
Yes, thank you. The kids are having fun too.
I think that's the perfect amount of crunch. It looks amazing.
Are the skewers almost ready?
Yeah. Careful, these are addictive. I almost finished the jar yesterday.
I know, right? They are the best part of the afternoon.
Here is the Bangkok bowl with extra roasted peanuts.
Enjoy your meal.
These peanuts are not just delicious, they are packed with essential nutrients. They offer significant protein, vital vitamins, and health.
From the colorful birds of the rainforest to the majestic lion of the savannah, these creatures truly are wonders of the natural world.
Here, quick energy for the climb.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Smart fueling. Want some more, buddy?
Yes, please. These are the best.
Save some for me.
Here are your favorite roasted peanuts, baby.
The sentence. A detailed macro shot shows roasted peanuts dissolving slowly into a simmering curry pot. As they
Go ahead, try the spices with the peanuts.
Oh yes, that blend is exquisite. A lovely complement to the tea.
The crunch on these is amazing, isn't it? Absolutely, and this smoky flavor is incredible.
All right, who wants the first peanuts?
Me, finally!
Don't eat them all at once.